How to use Dolly 3 Image Generator 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we are going to be talking about how you're going to be using Dolly 3, the image generator. Now, if you are an old user of Dolly and can't find yourself to use it on their main website, the reason for that is that Dolly has been totally converted and shifted to Chat GPT. And to use it, you're going to need to make sure that you have upgraded yourself to the Plus plan because without that, you will not be able to use Dolly. All right. So, to start things off, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come here to the prompt section, you're going to click on View Tools, and you're going to click on Picture. Now, once you've done that, you can go ahead and add in any prompt to generate the image. So, let's say I'm going to go ahead and add a prompt like retro car flying towards, let's go with Hogwarts. Okay. We're going to go ahead and write something in like that. And once you add in that prompt, as you can see, the image starts generating. So what you're simply going to be doing is waiting for like, I think maximum of 15 seconds. And after that, here you can see you have a proper image generated and look at how beautiful that looks. So just like this, you can use the Dolly 3 image generator for yourself right now. So yeah, that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.